Quandt Classic Body and Restoration is a professional auto body specialist serving the Omaha area. The team strives to underpromise and overdeliver while maintaining the highest level of customer care and personal treatment. Their expertise and commitment to quality sets them apart from others in the industry. Quandt Classic Body and Restoration offers collision repair, major and minor accident repairs, auto restoration, paint rejuvenation and restorations, body shop services, headlight replacement, and minor mechanical services such as brakes and suspensions, and much more. If you're looking for the go-to place for all your auto body needs, give Quandt Classic Body and Restoration a call at 402-250-3192 or stop by to visit and learn more.